Hey guys, I'm here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be comparing the gold versus the new Sierra Blue color. If you're deciding between what color to get the iPhone 13 Pro Max or the regular 13 Pro, hopefully this video will help you guys make that decision. As you know, the iPhone 13 Pro Max was released in September of 2021, so it's been a couple months and it's been out, and we're making this video just so we can show you guys what you can expect if you're choosing between either of these color. The iPhone 13 Pro Max comes in 4 different colors. Of course, you have the gold, silver, and graphite, the 3 original colors. And for the very first time, it's a Sierra Blue color that you see right here in my hand. So these are the biggest phones you can get in the Apple lineup right now. The latest one with the most spec'd out text that you can get on these. So let's take a look at it. The price of the 13 Pro Max here, the 128 gig, is around $10.99 plus tax in the US market. Of course, it's going to be different for wherever you are. So as you can see here, both of them have this unique design to it. So if we hold them side by side, you'll notice those big cameras and the blue design and the gold design. The gold finish, as you can see here, it's a lighter gold than some of the existing gold color we've seen in previous generation. You have these bezel as well, those side bezel you can see here are shinier side. They're not the matte ones. And then the speakers in the bottom and the phones itself here, the 5G antenna here, and then the front, of course, here. As you can see here, we have new wallpaper as well for these. This one, the gold one here, has actually a tempered glass already installed on this one, so you might see it a little bit more raised. But the blue one here doesn't have anything, but the front screen, of course, is same across both of the phones. You don't see much difference between it. So if you were to put a case, the only thing you probably would notice is probably that gold or that blue around it. But besides that, you probably won't see anything. So that's kind of what it's going to look like if you're getting either the gold or the Sierra Blue. So hopefully this video help you guys make that decision. In my opinion, I think the blue is a new color, but the gold still is one of those classic colors that you can still choose from. You can't go wrong with either of these colors. Both are great choices, and that's going to be something you'll have to make a decision. And hopefully this video will help you guys make that decision. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.